Got a combo, them a banga tree, you make a call, shut the mouth, what you know.
Yo, what's style, man? For your device, I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton, then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, I say the artists and the baddest review them, man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
From a buy a tea that use the junk for your stall. All them a go on, them
Viewers, me I say over Arab me there right now, you know, man. Yeah, me I say, yo, viewers and subscribers from your device, you know, it's a boy Soji TV Entertainment with the next banger review. And me I say, Grammar Ray drop a song title, Arab Badness. Yo, viewers and subscribers, see the artist here me I talk about. The artist here is an underrated artist, you know, a whole heap of people underrate the artist here, you know. And the artist here is a singer, you know. No joke. And the artist is forward from a sentence said way, you know. You see me? So I want to know guys to go over Grammar Ray and go give him the support on him Vivo channel. Him drop a song titled Arab Badness couple hours ago. I want to know guys to stop what you do and go over Grammar Ray Vivo and make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment send him over there. A matter of fact, viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you listen to him song them, listen to him platform and song them because him been a put in the work, you know. You see me? So I want to know if you share up your artist thing, like up your artist thing, subscribe. Yeah man, leave an honest comment. Talk to the artist. Inspire the artist, viewers and subscribers because without uno, we can't do nothing, you know, man. Uno have to give a full thoughts and full opinion to so we can go forward on what we are doing, you know. So me I say, yo, I want to know if you go give the artist the support and make the artist know say him have some good song and belting if you just showcase them so the viewers them can see what I go on and hear what I go on. You see what me I deal with. And Soji TV Entertainment appreciate you guys all. You see me? Yeah man, me appreciate you all, man. So I want to know guys remember to like, share, subscribe to the movement. You see me? Tell a friend to make a friend know say yo Soji TV Entertainment over here do some banger review. So once you know have some artists who know about and see say them not get the highlight, I don't feel like say you know want to send them over Soji TV Entertainment. Feel free, you see me? Because me there over here to do the review them, you know, man. And me I say more some artists when get the highlight of them artists that we are work with right now. So when them a grow, we are grow too, you see me? Yes man, so I want to know guys to be safe on the road and have a productive evening. And just know say Soji TV Entertainment respect you all out now. You see me? Safe travel home. Madam mean hundreds.
banga. Only petty thieves still I use union. Jet blue.